Okay, guys, I have a surprise.
Yeah, what is it? What is it?
The kid was Korean.
Wow. Who's a kid was
Korean.
Exactly, a kid was Korean.
So we're gonna go back to your church. Just again. So go up to the sing Hallelujah and the first, second. Just the first, second, third, and fourth for the dance, the party or room, and then you'll go back to eat. That's what they do. And then we have to go back to people puppet pizza. Let's go back to church.
No. Oh, come on.
I also don't like it. I hate churches. Can I stay home for you to pray?
No woozy. No woozy.
Why?
I said
no woozy.
We had to come or not. It's no option. We had to do this so I go ready. We had to do it now. Yeah, you had to do it now. Don't what you think about it. Get dressed to be quiet and woozy. Fine.
Okay, let's dress. Wow, Caillou, you look beautiful. Thank you. Just here. You're welcome. Today. You both are the best. But Rosie, you don't want different different. We're not gonna choose. Get a day. Different. Now. Right now.
Fine, whatever.
There. Rosie, you look handsome. So, before we had to go back to a churches, we then go back to people puppet pizza. Got it?
Yes, Daddy.
That's my boy. Come on, let's do it.
Wow. Yeah.
You'll have to go back. Let's go in the car.